Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, JD Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today we're going to talk about my days in Reno, or more like my days with Reno. That's right, my days with Oppo Reno, what I liked and what I didn't like about this phone. Coming up on Knoles Cool Stuff. Alright, so this is the Oppo Reno. Now remember, this is the Oppo Reno, the budget one. Alright, there's two Oppo Renos. There's the Oppo Reno, the one I have, that only has two cameras on the back, one in the front. And there's the Oppo 10X. Alright, the Oppo 10X will have three cameras on the back with the periscope camera. Alright, but right now, all they have right now in China is just this Oppo Reno, even though they are advertising the other one on all the advertisements. All right. One dealer, when I was trying to buy, I said, "Is this the new one?" He goes, "Yeah, that's three cameras." He tried to say that little bump in the back was a camera. No, that's not a camera, okay? 1, 2, 3. You can see clearly if there's a three cameras. All right, so, but this is like more of the budget Oppo Reno. Eventually, they're going to come out with the Oppo 10X. I'm not sure if it's out yet. It's not out yet in China. Maybe it's out in your country. Maybe they're only doing this one here in China. All right, so today we're going to talk about what I liked and what I didn't like about the Oppo Reno. All right, so let's get into it. First, we're going to start off what I like. All right, so this is the Oppo Reno. All right, and what do I like about this phone? For one, it's obvious. Just look right now. All screen. All right, no notch. No teardrop notch, no do notch, no hole punch notch, all screen. That is one reason I like about this phone. It's all screen. All right. Now, what else I like about it is the gradient colors it comes in, okay? The one I got is the purple to violet, cool looking cover. But I'm sorry, guys, if you're going to get one with gradient colors, don't cover up with a D brand and don't cover it up with a case that's not the same color. All right, get yourself a clear coated case. All right, you get one better than this one, and put it on so you can still see the color. All right, that's all I'm saying. If you're gonna get all these different colors and stuff, stop hiding it. All right, show it off to the people. Hey, look. All right. Now, what else do I like about this? What I like about this is the mechanical shark fin pop-up. All right, this is a pretty cool device. All right, it'll have your flash on the front and your camera on the front. Now, I like this because it allows you to have the all screen. All right? And it's a cool conversation. Hey, where's your front camera? Well, here, let me do it. Pop up, and that is what I think China has been pretty good at lately. Let me go down. They've been doing pretty well with the all-screen smartphones, okay? Starting with the Vivo Nex, with the little camera coming up to the front, then the Oppo Find X, and then now the shark fin one, all right? That is why I think China's doing a little bit better when it comes to the all-screen, all right? Apple, Samsung, and Google are still trying to stick with the hole punch and, you know, the notch and stuff, but I'm pretty sure, I heard a rumor that Google, all right, on their next smartphone, Pixel 4, apparently he's going to try to implement this shark fin, or some type of mechanical pop-up on theirs. We'll have to find out. All right, this is what I like about it. All right, another reason why I like about it is also because of the full screen. Is when I watch movies or when I play video games, all screen. Okay. I don't have to worry about a notch or anything. This plays movies great, okay? It looks fantastic, all right? If you're watching any type of movies, great. If you are playing any type of video games, great, all right? Now, another good thing about this with video games is Oppo has created a game space, all right? So the game space basically optimize your games, all right? You've also seen that like on Black Shark, or Red Magic phones, but those are dedicated smartphones. I mean, dedicated gaming phones. All right, but Oppo's trying to do a little thing like that too. You know, trying to get you more into gaming with an all screen. All right, so that is what I like about this. Now, the camera situation is good. Okay, it's not gonna blow your mind like a Samsung one or anything like that, but it takes quality pictures, videos, and everything else. Okay, I'm gonna just show you right now some samples of videos and pictures I took with my Oppo Reno. All right, just take a look. You be the judge. Okay, yeah, I could say it looks great, but it's up to you. You know, it's a preference if you like the cameras or not. All right. So remember, I'll leave you a little detail what type of cameras there are. Okay. So take a look at my pictures and video. All right, so those are some samples of pictures I've taken with the Oppo Reno. All right, the back cameras are good. All right, they worked well. But remember, there's no wide angle. It's just dedicated one main camera and a depth sensor. Okay, front camera, just one camera. That's it. All right. Like I said, the front camera is okay. Kind of blows out the background a little bit when you take selfies. But for the most part, they're decent cameras. I'm not going to complain about it. It's not going to go in the negative part because it's not that bad. Right? It'll get the job done for your Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever you need to do with social media. All right. Now, let's talk about what I don't like about this phone. All right. First part, the OS is fine. Okay, it's pretty much like a copy of Apple's and stuff, but it has a lot of bloatware. Right. I deleted at least almost half of the apps on this because it's all in Chinese. But if you get an international version, maybe you're not going to have as much problems with the Chinese apps on it. All right, that's what first thing I hated about it. Second thing I did not like about this phone is the speakers. Right, the speakers were not that good. Okay, for one, there's only one speaker at the very bottom. You put your finger there, it's going to cover up the audio. Okay, so if you're playing games and you're holding the games like this, you keep putting your finger down like that, it's going to cover up the audio. Now, bright side is, if you get the Oppo 10X, supposedly it will have stereo speaker, one from the bottom and a speaker from the earpiece. I don't know yet. I have to test that out once I get my hands on it, but if they improve that, then this audio may or may not be better, so we'll have to see. All right, so those are the things I hate about the Oppo Reno. They said not that much, okay? This bloatware, the OS is okay. It's not going to hurt me. Maybe it might bother you, but you can always toss a launcher on it. And the speakers on the bottom, all right? I like good audio, especially if I'm watching a movie without headphones on. So that's what I did not like about the Oppo Reno. But oh, and there's one last one, all right? But this is pretty much with all Chinese smartphones. They're voice assistants, okay? We all know Siri's pretty good. Google Assistant's really great. And we know that Bixby is a little iffy, but at least there's one good thing about Bixby, unlike the Chinese voice assistants. It speaks more than one language. That's right. If you grab a Vivo Jovi, that's their voice assistant, Vivo's Jovi, Oppo's Reno, and then you have like Honor's, I think, Yo-Yo, they only speak one language. Chinese, that's it. Not going to help you. So I basically disable and just use my Google Assistants on this phone. So, all right, that's the only problem I hate about Chinese smartphones. They have not added different languages for their voice assistants. It's not a phone killer. You know, it's not going to destroy you. Have Google, you just use Google Assistant. So, not that bad, right? All right, so this was my final thought. But let me know down in the comments, when you get an international version of Oppo or Vivo and you use their voice assistants, does it have other languages? Maybe it's just the Chinese ones I have. But I've been to the Philippines and I looked for Vivo with Jovi. They basically disabled the voice assistants on the phones, all right? But let me know down in the comments what you have on your smartphones in international ones, all right? All right, so that's the only thing I hated. Not that much to hate, okay? A lot of bloatware, speaker could be better, and the voice assistant kind of sucks, all right? All right, so let's wrap this video up and get out of here, huh? All right, so that is my final review. All right, now, you might be saying, how much is this phone going to cost? Well, in China, it costs around about $450 US, all right? It may cost a little bit more. You can pay like extra $100 more for a OnePlus, which might be a slightly better one. All right, but if you're looking for something different, a little outside the crowd, all right, this is a pretty nice budget, well, mid-range phone. It's not a budget phone. I only consider budget phones if it's under 300 bucks and stuff, but this is not a bad phone, okay? Good gift phone, good Christmas phone, good starter phone for kids. All right, something different to show the kids. Ooh, ooh, where's your pop-up? Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Shark fin. Turn it, turn it, turn it. All right. All right, so this was my final thoughts on the Oppo Reno. Oppo Reno, and like I said, it's a quality phone. You can't get a really bad phone nowadays. Most phones are pretty decent with slight hiccups or bumps on them. All right, but this was my final thought of the Oppo Reno. I enjoyed it. I love the all-screen. I love the innovation of the pop-up cameras, and I love the gradient colors. All right, so this is your boy JD Knows. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like buttons, hit the bell if you want more notification of my cool videos, and then hit the subscribe button if you want to join my family here at Knoles Cool Stuff. All right, my followers, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry, it's sad, but it is the end. So, like I always say, my followers, always be cool.